390 Golf. We're going to be doing the front engine mount today. It's pretty bad. It's quite bad. Clunks around. There is a 15mm nut on the top on a stud, and then underneath there is a 17 and a 13mm, I believe. Here we've got I believe that's it right there, and then hiding right there is the 13. We are going to pull that out. One. And there's two. Lifting straight off. We're going to pop off that 15mm nut down there now. Make sure to drop the nut. Jack the thing up high enough to get the engine mount out. So it looks kind of new. Uh-oh. Oh, it's just leaked all the liquid out of it. Alright, this is the failure here. That's where the massive clunk was coming from. That makes perfect sense. This is a hydraulic mount, so it's filled with, I think it's like a silicon fluid. And it has just all leaked out on the ground. I'll have to clean that up quick. We are going to be reinstalling this. It's an original mount from the 90s. Made in Germany. It's a little cracked, but it's a lot better than this one. And it's free, so. Okay, so some anti-seize, all sorts of it. We are going to try and get that back in there. I decided this side kind of actually worked. I'm gonna do an oil change while we're at it because it needs it big time. And alright, so it's gonna get spun around. It's in there.
Yeah, so that's